In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a basic assignment tracker on Notion. Start by opening Notion and heading to the Getting Started area. This is a helpful launch point because it gives you quick access to features and recommended tools, including templates. Once you are there, click Explore. Explore is where Notion organizes templates by category, so you can find a ready-made setup without building everything from scratch. In the Template Marketplace search bar, type Highlight. This helps you quickly surface the correct area of results and narrow what you are looking at. Next, click Assignment Tracker. That takes you into the Assignment Tracker category, where templates are focused specifically on schoolwork, due dates, and workload planning. From here, click the highlighted filter area, then choose Free. This ensures you only see templates that cost nothing to use, which is ideal when you just want a simple system for the semester. After applying that filter, click the highlighted area again to confirm you are viewing the filtered results list. Now find and click Simple Assignment Tracker. This template is designed to be straightforward, so it is easy to maintain day to day. On the template page, click Add again to add it into your Notion workspace. When prompted, click New Team Space. This creates a clean place to store the tracker, separate from other pages, which helps you stay organized. Then click See Template, so you can preview and open the full layout you just added. Once you are inside, click Assignment Tracker to open the main hub. This is where the different views and sections are connected. Next, click Today's Assignments. Use this view when you want a short, focused list for what needs attention right now. Then click Week View. This is better for planning ahead and spreading out tasks so deadlines do not sneak up on you. After that, click Weekly Prioritization Matrix. This view is useful for sorting work by importance and urgency, so you can decide what to do first. Finally, click Calendar View. This lays assignments out by date, which is especially helpful when you have multiple classes and overlapping deadlines. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.